Encountered a DOW file from the DOW Wheel game application? These contain game data and configuration for this casino-style entertainment software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to manage these DOW Wheel data files for your gaming experience. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful DOW troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. A DOW file contains game data for DOW Wheel, a puzzle game developed by Relfos. Users encounter this file within the game's installation directory, where it stores essential information like puzzles, player progress, or game settings. Opening it directly is not the primary user intent. It's used by the game itself. This file is likely a proprietary binary format designed for fast loading and efficient storage of game-specific data structures. The developer chose a custom binary format to protect game assets from easy modification and to optimize read-write operations for the game engine's specific needs. The reliable first choice for the DOW file type is DOW Wheel, developed by Relfos. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows cannot unwrap asset bundles or level data, so specialized tools must be used. Your first troubleshooting move, right-click your DOW file and select Open With. See if DOW Wheel is available and test it. If it is not visible, select a different program. Testing multiple openers is standard practice. If your DOW file still refuses to open, stay calm. Because your DOW file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, opening in DOW Wheel. Launch DOW Wheel application, and the game automatically loads associated DOW data files. Game configuration and player progress restore from the data file, enabling continuation of customized gameplay. This native approach provides full functionality with all game features properly integrated. Next, backing up game data. Locate DOW files in the DOW Wheel installation directory or user data folder. Copy these files to backup locations regularly, preserving game progress and custom configurations. Cloud storage services provide automatic protection, ensuring game data survives system failures or application reinstallation. Finally, inspecting data structure. Open DOW files in a text editor or hex editor to inspect the data structure for educational purposes. Manual editing is generally not recommended as it may corrupt game state. Use this approach only for understanding the format, avoiding modifications that disrupt normal DOW Wheel gameplay. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.